Level up your cravings with international cuisine na ating Filipino at Kapampangan twist, all in one flavorful destination. Presenting Arbees Bar and Resto. Casual lunchman o weekend dinner, this resto bar serves up elevated Pinoy comfort food as waking modern taste. Must try Kenny in karelang binagoongan pasta. Atin mo namang paku and pakwan salad. In karelang traditional laoso buko bulalo. Malutong naman in karelang crispy pata ala bagnet. Atin mo namang bulaklak skewers. Creamy mushroom chicken. Atin mo namang tokwat baboy. At vegetable al ahilo. Don't forget to end on a sweet note with their peach mango crumble ice cream and a house blend iced tea. A perfect pang Paris. Atin lang namang live band every Friday to Sunday. Atin yung modern European interiors, cozy alfresco dining, and space for 70 to 100 packs. Perfect for small events or big barkada gatherings.
Invite ko po lahat ng mga mahilig sa mga food lovers. Especially yung mga dito na mga turista galing man kahit saan. So Kapampangan man yan or taga ibang lugar. So para naman matikman nyo po dito sa Arbees Bar and Resto. We're open 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. but 12 midnight soon.
This is Patricia Mamangon on the spot.